Hello everyone, Namaste. Welcome to Nandu's cookbook. Today's recipe is onion curry, quick and best side dish for chapati. So let's get started with the recipe. Heat a pan, add 1 tablespoon of oil. Once the oil heats, add roughly chopped onion. I am using 1 medium size onion and 1 green chilli slit. Saute it and cook it in low flame till the onion turns transparent. Now add few curry leaves. Stir it again. Add half teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of chilli powder and quarter teaspoon of garam masala. Saute it and mix it well. Now add half cup of water. Half teaspoon of salt or as required. Close the lid and cook it for 3 to 5 minutes in low to medium flame. Now take a bowl, add 1 teaspoon of wheat flour. Add enough water and make slurry. Mix it well without forming any lumps. Now add the wheat flour slurry to the curry. Stir continuously to avoid lumps. You can add water and adjust the consistency if the consistency is too thick. Cook it for 2 to 3 minutes. Now the curry is almost done. This recipe I have learnt it from my grandmother. You will definitely like this recipe. So friends, try out this simple and tasty recipe. Hope you liked my video. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe Nandu's cookbook for more delicious recipes.